Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another project to share with you guys because I needed to finish up using this Holly Jolly paper pad. I had 9 sheets left, and so I did use all of those. And normally how I'm usually able to work with 9 sheets, I wasn't I wasn't trying to stick that hard to the 9 sheets, knowing that I had 2 more of these paper pads. So I did end up having to pull like 7 additional sheets from another 6x6 paper pad, which is fine. So I ended up using this whole entire one. I didn't really have any scraps. You guys will see I used strips and scraps and everything pretty much in here. I had a couple of pieces that I just added into the other paper pad because, well, I used 7 more additional sheets, so technically I still used up the whole entire paper pad. So I just want to show you guys what I created. And guys, now that I'm on summer break, I feel, and I don't know when this video is going to go up, so I don't know if it's still summer break for me by the time this video goes up, but now that I'm crafting during summer break, I just feel so much more crafty, and it's just like I'm able to just get started on whatever and make a project however I want. Like, I'm not following a tutorial. I'm not like, I don't have anything in mind. I just let kind of like the project and the crafty time kind of just like work for me. And I don't know. So I've never made this kind of album before. I mean, I've made, I guess, similar to like the page style, but I never made this one like specifically with the way that it's laid out and whatever. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I made. So let's get started, and I'm gonna show you guys everything. So this adorable album has this on the cover, has like this chipboard soldier, which was part of the Holly Jolly collection, but it was like from the chipboard pieces. There's this cheer piece that was from one of their journal cards that I just cut a little smaller. The star is a chipboard. I have some enamel dots here and here. I did my stitching around, the house is in the background. This is my spine and my back cover. You guys could see I used a bunch of strips. Instead of using hexagons this time, I just created a bunch of strips from like leftover strips of paper that I had and made that work for me. Here I have a ribbon closure in like this pink gingham, because there is pink in this collection. So when you open this up, I just have like this word paper here. I did have to triple mat this or double mat this. Is this triple matting? Double matting, right? So the gold and the red, and then finally the paper, because it just wasn't big enough. So yeah, like here I was able to go and cut this at 6 1/8, even though it's a 6x6 paper pad. You usually have a little bit extra at the top, so I was able to do that here because you weren't gonna see the top. It had like a dotted line on the top, so you weren't able to see that, so I was able to do that there. But here, the dotted line you would have seen where you're supposed to cut, so I had to cut this at 6 inches, and I double matted with red and the gold. Then here I created a pocket using another strip of paper that I just had laying around afterwards, and I threw in one of the journal cards that says up on the housetop, and that's just what that looks like. Then you turn this, you've got the house background, you've got another journal card that I just made into like a little flap. This one says Noel, and you could journal on it. You could add a photo here, and then this flips open to the right hand side where I just have like some solid paper plus one of those strips, and I left it open and I threw in another journal card there, which turned out really cute. Like, I really like how this turned out. So then there's that. This flips this way. Whoops, guys, I actually skipped a page. I accidentally skipped a page, actually, and accidentally. So after you close this, here is the next page. It looks like this. You've got a photo space, and I even created this little teeny pocket with another journal card in there. So that just lives in there before you go on to the next page, and that's where we have the waterfall. I've just got like a regular paper here. You could add your photos. I was able to make a small little waterfall to fit on these pages, and I think it looks so adorable. So just a cute little waterfall. Then the next page looks like this. You guys could see I used some more of the strips of paper to work for me in this album. I used another one of those like journal cards that I had for this kit in my stash. And then this also flips open. You can write more journaling or add 2 photos here and whatnot. So that's that. And I was thinking you would just journal here, maybe add a date or something, and then just add 2 photos. Like, there you go. Then here in the next page, I love these little Santas. You could add a photo there. I made another like solid paper with another like strip that I had, and I added in another journal card here. Then you flip this and you can add another photo and another photo. And that is the whole entire album. How cute is this? You definitely have space to fill it up some more as well. And it's also got the ribbon closure, and it's just adorable. So I definitely had fun creating this and just trying to use up the rest of the paper. I think it turned out so stinking cute. Like, I love it so much. It's adorable. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this video inspires you to create something, and I will see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.